In today's video, we will listen to an everyday conversation between two friends, Leo and Mia, about the stress of trying to please everyone and the importance of setting boundaries.
Hi, Mia. I'm so glad you had time to meet for coffee.
Hi, Leo. Me too. I really needed a break.
Are you okay? You look very tired.
To be honest, I am exhausted. This week was very, very busy.
Oh? What did you do?
Well, on Monday, my boss asked me to help with a new project. I already had a lot of work, but I said yes.
You said yes, but you were already busy.
I know, but I wanted to be helpful. So I stayed late every night this week. I finished my work and the new project.
Mia, that's too much.
That's not all. On Wednesday, my friend Sarah called me. She was upset about her boyfriend. We talked on the phone for 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yes, I wanted to go to bed. I was so tired. But she needed to talk, so I listened.
And then?
Then, this weekend, my sister asked me to help her move to her new apartment.
Oh, no. Moving is hard work.
It was. We carried heavy boxes all day on Saturday. My back hurts now.
And you had plans for Saturday, right? You told me you wanted to visit the new art museum.
I did, but my sister needed help. I couldn't say no to her.
So you helped your boss, you helped Sarah, and you helped your sister. What did you do for you?
I am drinking coffee with you.
That's true. But, Mia, you seem stressed. You're always doing things for other people.
I know. I feel like I am always running. I don't have time for myself. I feel empty. I feel like I don't know who I am anymore. I only know what other people want from me.
That sounds difficult. It sounds like you are a people pleaser.
A people pleaser? What is that?
It's a person who tries to make everyone happy. They always say yes. They're afraid to say no.
Yes, that is me. I am definitely a people pleaser. I am so afraid of making people angry or disappointed.
Why are you afraid of that?
I don't know. I guess I want people to like me. I think if I am helpful and nice, people will like me.
I understand that. We all want people to like us, but you're forgetting the most important person.
Who?
You. You are not thinking about what you need.
I don't have time to think about what I need.
You need to make time. You need to learn how to set boundaries.
Boundaries? What do you mean, like a fence?
Exactly. Think about it like that. Your time and your energy are like your house.
My house?
Yes, you have a house, you have a front door, you have a lock on the door. You don't let everyone come into your house, do you?
No, of course not.
You invite your friends and family inside. But strangers or people you don't trust, they stay outside. You lock the door at night to stay safe.
Right.
Your time and your energy are the same. They are your house. A boundary is the front door. You need to decide who you let in. You need to lock the door sometimes.
I never lock my door. My door is wide open and everyone is walking in and moving my furniture.
Exactly. And you are tired because your house is full of people and you have no space for yourself.
Wow. I never thought about it like that. So I need to build a fence?
You need to use your fence. You need to learn to say no.
But that is so hard, Leo. I feel so guilty. When I say no, I feel like I'm a bad person, a bad friend, or a bad employee.
I know that feeling. Many people feel that way. We learn that we must be nice. But being nice all the time is not healthy. It is not honest.
What do you mean?
Well, last week, my friends wanted to watch a movie. They wanted to see a scary horror movie.
Oh, you hate horror movies.
I know. I hate them. In the past, I would say, "Oh, okay, sure." And I would go. I would sit in the theater with my eyes closed. I would pretend to like it.
I do that. Last month, my coworkers all went to a restaurant. It was a seafood restaurant. I don't like seafood.
What did you do?
I went. I ate some bread. I said I wasn't very hungry. I pretended I was having fun.
See? We pretend. We do things we don't want to do just so other people are happy. We lose pieces of ourselves.
Yes, that is exactly it. I feel like I am losing myself. So, what did you do about the movie?
This time, I practiced my boundaries. I said, "You guys know I don't like scary movies. I'm going to skip this one, but let's get pizza after."
What did they say? Were they angry?
No, they said, "Okay, Leo, no problem. See you for pizza."
Really? That's it?
That's it. It was so easy, and I felt so good. I felt strong. I protected my house.
I want to do that, but I'm worried. My boss? I can't say no to my boss.
You can. Maybe not no, but you can set a boundary.
How?
When your boss gave you the new project, you were already busy. You could say, "I'm happy to help with this project. Right now, I'm working on the other report. Can we talk about the deadline? Maybe I can finish the report first and start the new project next week."
Oh, that sounds good. That sounds professional.
It is. It is not saying no. It is communicating. It is self-advocacy.
That is a very big word, Leo.
It just means speaking for yourself, representing your own interests. You are telling your boss what you can do and what you need. Most bosses respect that.
I never thought of that. I just say yes, and then I panic.
And you get stressed and tired. You are not a robot, Mia. You are a person. You need rest.
I do. I really do.
And what about your friend, Sarah?
She just needed to talk. I have to be a good friend.
You are a good friend. But 3 hours is a long time, especially when you are tired.
What could I say?
You could say, "Sarah, I am so sorry you are upset. I want to listen to you, but I am very tired right now, and I have to wake up early. Can I listen for 30 minutes, and then can we talk more tomorrow?"
Oh, I could say that. That is kind, but it is also honest.
Yes, you are being kind to her and kind to yourself. This is the other big word I learned, self-compassion.
Self-compassion.
Yes, we often compare ourselves to other people. We look on social media, everyone looks happy, everyone looks successful. We think, "I must be better, I must be special, I must be perfect."
I do that all the time. I look at pictures and I feel bad about my life.
That is self-esteem. It is based on comparing. It is based on winning or being better than others. But it is not stable. If you fail or if you make a mistake, your self-esteem is gone.
That is so true. When I make a mistake at work, I feel terrible for days.
Self-compassion is different. It is not about being better than others. It is about being kind to yourself.
Like being my own friend?
Exactly. When your friend makes a mistake, what do you say to them?
I say, it's okay. Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. It is not a big deal.
Right. You are kind. You are understanding. But when you make a mistake, what do you say to yourself?
I say, you are stupid, you are a failure, you always do this.
See, you are not kind to yourself. Self-compassion is talking to yourself like you talk to a good friend.
It's okay, Mia. You made a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. You are human.
Yes, that is it. It is remembering that all people are imperfect. All people fail sometimes. It is normal. It is common humanity.
Common humanity. I like that. It makes me feel less alone.
Exactly. Self-esteem isolates you. It's all about me, me, me. Self-compassion connects you. It's about us. We are all imperfect humans together.
This is a lot to think about, Leo. People-pleasing, boundaries, self-advocacy, self-compassion.
It is. It's a new way of thinking, but it all starts with one small step.
What step?
Learning to say no.
I am still so scared of that. The guilt is very strong.
I know. The book I read had some good tips, practical tips.
Tell me, I need them.
Okay. First, you don't have to give a long explanation. A simple no is enough.
Really?
Yes. We often say, no, because, and then we tell a long story. You don't have to. You can just say, I'm sorry, I can't. Or, I am not available at that time.
What if they ask, why not?
You can repeat yourself, calmly. I am just not available. They call it the broken record technique. You just repeat your simple, polite refusal.
The broken record. I am not available. I am not available.
Exactly. You don't need to fight. You don't need to get angry. You just state your boundary.
What else?
You can give a simple, short reason. When your sister asks for help moving,
Yes?
you could say, I can't help you all day on Saturday because I already have a plan to go to the museum. That is my rest day. But I can come and help for 2 hours in the morning.
Oh, a compromise.
Yes, you are not saying a hard no. You are saying no to the big request, but yes to a smaller request. You are still a good sister, but you also protect your time for the museum.
That is very smart. I can do that. I can do that.
You can. It just takes practice.
But I feel like I need to, I don't know, find myself first. I said yes for so long, I don't even know what I like anymore.
That is the best part. Now you get to find out. This is your self-discovery phase.
How do I do that?
Think about that house metaphor again. Your house is full of other people's furniture. It is time to redecorate.
Okay, how do I redecorate?
You need to ask yourself questions. What do I really like? Not what my friends like, not what my boss likes. What do I like?
Like, what movies I like?
Yes. What movies? What food? What music?
I think I like comedies, and I like Italian food.
Great. So next time, you suggest the movie. You suggest the restaurant.
What else?
Think about your values. What is important to you?
My values?
Yes, like honesty, creativity, kindness, fun.
I think I value creativity and I value calm.
Okay, creativity and calm. Now look at your life, your last week. Was it creative? Was it calm?
No, it was stressful and busy. It was the opposite.
That is your signal. That is your brain telling you, this is not my furniture. I am out of balance.
Wow, so I need to add more creativity and calm to my life.
Yes, that is your goal. That is how you practice self-love. You listen to yourself. You are your own best friend. A good friend listens. You need to listen to yourself.
What do I need right now?
Perfect. Ask yourself that every day. What do I need in this moment? Maybe you need a 10-minute walk. Maybe you need a glass of water. Maybe you need to say no so you can go home and read a book.
This feels good. It feels possible. It doesn't feel so big and scary.
It's not. It's just small choices every day.
So I need to remember my values, creativity and calm.
And you need to practice. Practice saying no in small ways.
Small ways?
Yes, you don't have to start with your boss. Start small. Start in the coffee shop.
Here?
Sure. If they give you the wrong coffee, what do you usually do?
I just drink it. I don't want to make trouble.
Uh-huh. A people pleaser.
You caught me.
Next time, practice. Politely say, "Excuse me, I think I ordered a latte. This is a cappuccino."
That is scary.
It's a very small, safe way to practice. It is not a big deal, but it teaches your brain, my voice matters. My needs matter.
My needs matter.
Yes, they do. You can also practice with me.
How?
Ask me to do something you know I will say no to.
Okay. Leo, can you lend me $1,000?
Mia, I can't do that.
See? You said it. It was easy. You didn't look guilty.
Because I know my boundary. I value our friendship, but that is a boundary for me.
Okay, now you ask me.
Mia, can you help me move all my furniture to a new apartment tomorrow?
Leo, I value our friendship, but I am not available tomorrow.
Perfect. How did that feel?
A little scary, but also good, powerful.
That is the feeling. You are building your self-trust. You are teaching yourself that you will protect you.
Wow, Leo, you are very smart. Where did you learn all this?
I told you, I read a book. But really, I was like you. I was always tired. I was always saying yes. I was burned out.
You? But you seem so confident.
I am confident now because I practice. I practice my boundaries every day. Sometimes I fail. Sometimes I say yes when I mean no.
What do you do then?
I practice self-compassion. I say, "It's okay, Leo. You made a mistake. You were human. You can try again tomorrow."
I love that. No perfection, just practice.
Just practice. So, what is your plan? What is one small thing you will do this week?
Okay, one small goal. I will leave work at 5:30 p.m. on time at least one day this week.
That is a great goal. What will you do with that time?
I will go to the park. I will walk. I will find some calm.
Perfect. And if your boss asks you to stay late?
I will say,
And the commitment is...
to myself, to my calm.
Exactly. I am proud of you, Mia.
Thank you, Leo. This was the best coffee I have had in a long time. I feel so much better. I feel hopeful.
You should. You are not losing yourself, Mia. You are just finding yourself. You are building your own house.
With my own furniture.
To your new house.
To my new house.
Great work today. Keep going. Every lesson helps you improve your English. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep learning and see you again soon.